So how do you get your book on Amazon to be completely free and stay free all the time? And why should you actually do this? That's what we're going to tackle in this video. Hi, I'm Jonathan Milligan. I'm the author of a series called Your Message Matters. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I took the first book in my series, made it completely free on Amazon for the purpose of getting more people into the series that then would purchase more books and also get on my email list. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. I'm going to show you exactly how to figure this out. Now, when I was trying to figure this out, I could not figure it out. Quite frankly, I was doing all the research. How are people doing this? And let me jump into the computer and show you specifically what I was trying to figure out. So if we hop over here into Amazon, and this is the first book in my series, you can see here that it's free. Now, the only way that I knew how to make it completely free was to enroll in the KDP Select program, and they would give me 5 free days that I could use in a 90-day period to make my Kindle book free. Again, we're talking just about the Kindle book only, not the print version here. But stick with me, because there's a big aha moment that I had. Now, what I couldn't figure out is how are these other authors always on the free side and they're staying up in the top of the rankings? Let's jump back in the computer and I'll show you exactly how this is. So if I scroll down here a little bit, of course I'm always bumping around in the rankings, but if I jump into example online advertising, you can see that my book ranks free. Now, most of these other books, especially the ones that you see that have Kindle Unlimited on here, they're enrolled into the KDP Select program. So they're able to be free and rank in this category on the free side for only up to 5 days in every 90 days. But me, I am always up at this category. So it enables me to get thousands of downloads because people are often hunting free books. Now, why would I want to do this? And then I'm going to share with you how I actually did it. It's simpler than you think. It doesn't take long at all. It's a little hack that Amazon needs to follow and will follow if you do it the way I'm going to show you. Well, my main reason is because I have a whole series. So I want someone to consume the first book and then go purchase the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, and have that read through. That's number one. Number two is I want them to get on my email list. So one of the things that I offer inside of my book in the front cover is a free course. And you can see here that this free course is called Discover Your Message Accelerator. All of these are opt-ins from my book. So my book serves as a lead magnet. You can see I've got hundreds just on this one book that I'm showing you today. And those are happening all of the time, almost every day, since I published the book in October of 2023. It's building my list on autopilot. It's like a lead magnet on Amazon. So it serves multiple purposes. I get more people into my series, and it helps me to get more people on my email list because it's a permanent lead magnet on Amazon, which has got all the traffic, right? But my question originally was, how do I actually do this? Here's the key, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do this. What I figured out is that when you publish an ebook on Amazon, Amazon and their terms and conditions tell you that you cannot price your ebook cheaper on other platforms. Now, what happens if you go publish it somewhere else at $0? Amazon doesn't give you that option to go price your ebook at $0, right? You have to at least price it at 99 cents. So here's the thing. You can reach out to customer support and have them reduce your book to $0 if you've published it somewhere else for $0. Now, if all that was confusing, I'm gonna actually jump back to my computer and show you what I did, and then I think it'll make some sense, all right? And by the way, are you enjoying videos like this? I want to produce more of the things that I'm discovering along the way. And the way to let me know that these are helpful is just to like, subscribe, or even hit the bell notification so you're notified when a new video drops. And I plan to do a lot more. And also, maybe you want to drop a comment below as well. Let me know that this is helpful. All right, let me show you actually how I did this. So if we hop back into the screen, I went over to Draft to Digital, which is a platform outside of Amazon that will publish your book in a lot of places. And if I hop into this, you will see that my book is published over on Barnes & Noble. Sometimes these links don't work, but maybe it'll work. You can see here my book is my ebook, print book, and audiobooks over here on Barnes & Noble. But notice on Barnes & Noble, it's completely free. So this book is completely free. And that's what I did. I came over here. I published my book on Draft to Digital. It will go publish it on all of these places. And when I set my price, I was able to set my price at $0. So again, I am not making any money on the ebook, but I have a bigger strategy. I want more awareness. I want more people to read that book. I want more people on my email list, because then they're more likely to buy my other books. Hopefully that's making sense. So that is step one. Go to Draft to Digital. Won't take you long. Publish your ebook. Price it at $0. Once you have a link and it's been published somewhere, then you're going to come over here to your Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing account. You're going to go up here to Help. You're going to scroll all the way down to Contact Us. If you look down here, you're going to go to the pricing section right here. Open up the pricing section here. And here you have one for price matching. It's going to explain what is price matching, blah, 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 blah. What you want to do is actually click on the Contact Us. If you hit Send Us an Email, it already has it all pre-formatted for you. So you're really probably only going to do one book, so you can get rid of these. You're going to get your ASIN. So if I hop back over here on my Amazon account to that page, scroll down, it is your Amazon basic product SKU basically. And it's going to be right here. So you're going to grab the ASIN, you'll copy and paste that, you bring it back over here, you will plug it in here. Say, here's the ASIN, so they know what book. You can do it just .com, or you can choose the other ones if you want. Current competitor region link. So this is where I would go grab the link that's on Barnes & Noble so they can see that the book is priced at $0. And then I would come back over to here. I would paste that in. And then I would say current competitor price is $0 and send a message. That's all you need to do. And once you do that, it'll take about 24 hours and you will find that your Kindle book is $0 all the time. And again, this allows you to have constant visibility. Like I showed you before, I have several categories where this book is constantly sitting at #1. And so people can find my book in lots of categories. And so there you have it. That is the process. You now know the process. Congratulations. Use it to your advantage. Now, if you want to know more about my book writing series and how I wrote 7 books in 18 months, I talked about the 5 big lessons I learned in another video, and you can go catch it right here. Click on it. We'll catch you over there, and I'll tell you all about it. See you over there.